Friends, if you're also on the hunt for a powerful smartphone in the mid-budget range, then this video is for you. Because today, we're going to talk about a Nokia smartphone that's all set to shake up the market, with its 200-megapixel camera, and a massive 7800 mAh battery. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about the Nokia X60 Pro 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into all the details of this smartphone. So let's start. Features of the Nokia X60 Pro 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. The Nokia X60 Pro 5G comes with a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, supporting a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and has an IP68 rating, meaning you can use it even in heavy rain without a worry. Camera setup. Now, let's move to the main highlight, the camera. Nokia has packed this phone with a quad camera setup, featuring a primary 200-megapixel sensor. Alongside that, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 32-megapixel depth sensor, and an 8-megapixel macro lens for those close-up shots. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera. And when it comes to video, this beast can shoot in 8K resolution. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia X60 Pro 5G is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing, this phone is an absolute performance monster. It also runs on Android 16, ensuring a super smooth and lightning-fast experience. Battery life. When it comes to battery life, this phone is basically a power bank with calling features. The 7800 mAh battery can easily last you 2-3 days on a single charge. And with 120-watt fast charging, it goes from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? According to our sources, the Nokia X60 Pro 5G is expected to be priced around $450. And as for the launch date, mark your calendars, this powerhouse is expected to hit the market in December 2025.